well, now, Brendy, that just goes to show that you both had good taste, doesn't it?
Look, Brendy, I know I've always had a bit of a reputation with the ladies and that. But this is different, Brendy. This is serious.
Maggie wouldn't want for anything. There'd be no other women. She'd be well looked after. She could stay in the village. She'd be here if you needed her. What do you think?
Come on, girls, come on. Here you are, Lissy. Have your choice. Lissy, stop squeezing the bread, please.
It's all stale anyway.
It certainly is not. It came in fresh this morning.
I take 2 loaves and pay half price due to the staleness.